Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Volvo S60 versus the Volvo S90. We'll explore how these two impressive sedans cater to different preferences. The S60 is known for its compact, sporty feel, perfect for dynamic driving. In contrast, the S90 offers a more expansive and luxurious experience, ideal for those seeking ultimate comfort. Both uphold Volvo's strong reputation for safety and elegant design. When it comes to performance, the S60 typically features a 247 horsepower turbocharged engine, delivering an agile ride and impressive fuel economy of up to 35 miles per gallon on the highway. The S90 steps up with a standard 295 horsepower mild hybrid engine, ensuring a smoother, more powerful acceleration. Dimensionally, the S90 is about 8 inches longer than the S60, which significantly contributes to its more spacious rear cabin. Inside, the S60 offers a driver-centric cockpit, complete with a 9-inch Sensus touchscreen and a suite of advanced safety features. The S90 elevates luxury with a more expansive interior, featuring premium Napa leather and an available handcrafted crystal gear shifter. Both models come equipped with modern technology, including Google built-in, Apple CarPlay, and a full array of driver assistance systems for a connected and secure journey. Considering value, the S60 typically starts at approximately $43,795, providing an excellent entry point into the luxury sedan market. The S90, with its larger size and elevated luxury, begins at around $59,495. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize a more compact, agile experience or a spacious, opulent ride. Don't forget to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.